Revolution Wheels were formed in 1967. We are a bespoke wheel manufacturer that specialise in motorsport. We are known predominantly as the tailor-made suit of the alloy wheel industry. Within reason, we can do almost everything with a little bit of input from the customer. Solid People provide us with SolidWorks premium software on a year-term subscription basis, which ensures that we always have the up-to-date version, which is fully supported, which meets all of our financial requirement. They also provide us with the necessary training, which is unlimited, enables us to bring into things like FEA, finite element analysis, so we are sure that what we're providing is 100% safe and fit for purpose. Without the SolidWorks software, we couldn't do the bespoke work that we do. It would be too time consuming. It enables us to apply volume, necessity of test and assurance to small orders. And that's the biggest advantage we have in teaching our engineers to do that. We wouldn't be able to do that kind of work without it. In motorsport, the demands are great, whether it's bending moment, whether it's impact. So, we believe we built up a decent reputation over the last 40 plus years for that, and we're proud of it.